Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the Crimson Marsh Glider in Heartopia. It's actually pretty easy to find. It is a common insect. You'll need to be level 7 of the insect catching hobby, and it is located in the Onsen, near the Onsen Mountain Lake area. And the weather needs to be rainbow, and it will spawn during the day, the dusk, as well as nighttime. And I thought at first you need to do like the um bait the insects event, but apparently not. You don't need to do it. It's just going to spawn um and near the like Onsen Mountain Lake. But if you are not able to find it, maybe try to just trigger the event. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!